Come on.
More, Captain.
Get that coal in that fire. Come on, Huggy. Shovel.
Welcome to another tech donation at Project Reboot.
What have you got, Gary?
Well, no, this guy with a big beard called Noah come in and he said, I've got a server for you boys. This is an old PowerEdge, sorry, it's that old, I've got to look, a PowerEdge 1300. So back in early to mid 1990s, this is typically what you'd have found in most server rooms. They were floor standing. They, you know, in the day they were quite good. I think this one's got something like an Intel Pentium 3 in it, I believe. And it runs on SCSI drives. So here you go, this is your Intel Pentium 3 card. And on the other side, it's got a blanker card in. If you don't have the blanker card in, it simply won't start. This lovely thing here is a modem card. Not a network card, a modem card. As you can notice, there's no SSDs or M.2s or anything like that. The drives, so this one here is a whopping 9 gig. This one's a 36 gig and this one is a 18 gig. So these are SCSI drives, so nowadays you just plug things in and they work. Back in the days you had to have on the end of this a little circuit board which basically was a chain. And this is what they call a terminator. If this isn't in there, none of these are readable. So yeah, it's very old, very cool.
This one's massive on the middle.
Sound just like my missus. Yeah, that one is. It is. That's just what they were. It's because it's a 36 gig, so it had more platters in it.
Oh.
So inside of your discs, you get round discs. The bigger capacity back in the day meant more discs, more space to put them in. Hence why these two are so small.
What we got going on there, Gary?
So we're formatting a 9 gig drive. This has been going on for about 10 minutes. So this is the typical Dell SCSI utility before Windows kicks in, etc. And in here you can set up RAID software, or you can, like we're doing, formatting the drive. So we are formatting this top one here, which as you can see is a 9 gig. So this number here, 309, the 9 is actually indicates the actual size of the drive.
Yeah, I get it.
The one below is the 36 gig, and then this one is the 18 or 8. Can't remember what it was. But yeah, it's been going for ages.
A while. So, is this for sale, Gary? Loaded question.
If somebody wants to come and buy it, if you want a bit of antique tech to run in your house and keep you warm at night. Yeah, absolutely for sale. It's it's a good bit of vintage computing here, sorry. So yeah, come along. Take a look, have a go.
The tech donation continues after Gary's server. What have we got, Gary? Got some laptops, haven't we?
Yeah, a menagerie of laptops, various specs and sizes.
I just picked these up, well, yesterday afternoon actually, from a local finance company. We've got 10 laptops of varying, what we got there, that's an i3 HP.
It's i5.
i5, ooh.
i5, Dolby Surround, yeah, that's good.
We've got an HP i5, another one. These look to be in good condition. This is, can't see what it is.
Top of the screen, right hand side.
It's an HP 250.
A Lenovo E31/70 i5.
Oh, they look all right, don't they?
Very good.
Very nice. We'll have a quick close up of that. i5s. What's this? This is a
HP
i3 Beat Studio.
in pieces.
Yeah, I took it apart to get the drive out and wipe that one, I think. Well, some of them have come in a bit of a state of disrepair. That's a Jurassic Park job.
Jurassic, wow.
Windows Vista.
Core 2 Duo.
Inspiron 1525. Another. Oh, yeah, I did take this one apart, definitely. Oh, this is touch screen, Bernie. This one.
Oh, careful! You don't end up on the floor then.
that has been known. A couple more laptops, HP, dunno. Windows, oh, it's a Windows 10 sticker on the back. Zoom in. And a couple more HPs. This looks alright, doesn't it? 7th gen. i3 7th gen. Oh! I'll have to stop putting a dinosaur on the end of the video soon. Another i5. Excellent. Thank you very much, donor. You know who you are. Also, we've got these. We'll have a zoom in on one of these. Well, the thing is, they don't have a brand. These are completely unbranded.
Custom made.
So they are. Well, I think they're off the shelf, non-branded. We'll zoom in on that one. This has got a Gigabyte GA-H61M S2PV. Now they're very similar to those ZooStorm ones, Bernie, we've got out the front. These are 3rd generation on an LGA 1155 socket. They've got an i3 3240 in here and various amounts of RAM. So I've got 11 of those.
That's a Corsair Value Select RAM chip. It doesn't
But is
say,
it 3 or 4?
It doesn't actually say. It's just got a Corsair Value stick on it. And a barcode. So.
I think that might be an 8 gig stick of DDR3.
I reckon they're 8 gig.
Yeah.
Looking at it.
If you're enjoying watching this video this week, give us a thumbs up. Check out our Facebook page. There it is right there, look. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave some comments in the section below. Yeah. Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Fat Controller.
Find the sparks. What we got here then?
Okay, we've got a strange bag for the workshop. Train track, but this is before Hornby existed, so it's Triang. We have a new cassette tape for the car. Hornby Railways Authentic Railway Sounds.
We'll get a zoom in on this lot.
We have a very rusty but very old Triang controller for the track.
Wow.
That's proper old. So
Proper
yeah,
old.
be
But it's
worth.
got a square plug on it though, so that suggests it was probably not pre-1970s.
You get a pack to stick.
Stand back, I think, on that one.
Yeah, we've got lots of different sections of track. Look at that. Doesn't fit.
Points.
Actually works as well. Ooh. Maybe someone out there getting properly excited over this. Unfortunately, there's no engines. That's got wire in it. Ah.
Jack's got the pat tester out.
Now, does this do that one as well? Okay, this is an interesting one. So we've got points that you physically move, but if it's connected to this one, Triang had wires. So when you move that further down the track, this one, the current would go through and it'd automatically move as well. Well, I don't know about leaves on the line. You'd be a bit stuffed getting past that, wouldn't you, if you were a train?
Oh dear. Let's get it all out, shall we, Gary? See what we've got.
Why not? Complete with screw.
Right, let's have a look at this.
Complete with more screws. Someone's obviously screwed it to a bit of wood at some stage, haven't
These
they?
on that's for carriages because I used to be a bit of a train nerd when I was a kid.
Triang. There we are.
Format over, but
Well, whilst we're here, Jack is going to attempt to pat test the controller. Stand back. It's not plugged into the mains, is it? So it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so that's going into...
Bang!
So, if you're interested in some of this Triang stuff, let us know in the comments. Can't guarantee it'll be here, but it will be on eBay. Huggy Steve might have to do all that. Going to give you a job of cleaning all this up, Hugs. Alright?
Yeah, so from all of that.
Alright. Next. There we are, folks. That's it for this week. Tech video. Hope you've enjoyed that rummage around. Some very, very varied stuff this week. Thanks for watching. Tune in next week. Cheerio.
Jurassicom Productions.